so many blank options available for us. I knew that we were going to be testing out a few of the machines, but when we actually got to testing, the possibilities were endless.
So I made a little tiny shirt for a little teddy bear. It was so cute with the DTF printer.
From DTF printing to UV printing, there are so many things that you can make. So many great products that can be added to our shops.
If you want to add something to grow your business, I feel like you could definitely find a printer to do that here.
I had a lot of fun finding out about all of the printers that Roland has to offer.
I could totally use it at home, incorporate it into my small business.
My favorite one was the phone case with the UV printer. So cute. I am in awe of the 3D texture of it.
It does give me a lot of ideas on what I can do with my company.
I made a couple of apparel pieces. I made a crew neck, a t-shirt. I also made some acrylic charms and phone cases, so those were really cool to see.
I was pleasantly surprised with the different machines and printers and printing techniques, and I've been having a lot of fun. It was really easy working with the printers and all of the lovely people at Roland to help me make that vision happen.
Really, the possibilities with Roland are just amazing.